Hey Florida, we're talking about auto insurance, and basically there's only three major components to an auto insurance policy. The damage coverage to your vehicle, the injury for people in your vehicle, and the damage and injury that you may cause to someone else. So the damage coverage to your vehicle, two major components. You have comprehensive and collision coverage. The comprehensive is going to pay for damage to your vehicle outside of an accident. The collision coverage is going to pay for damage to your vehicle in an accident. There's going to be a deductible that you have to pay first, and then the insurance company pays for the rest of the damages to your vehicle. So collision is going to cover damage in an accident. Comprehensive is going to cover damage outside of an accident. If your damage is caused by a storm, if you're vandalized, if the vehicle's stolen, those are the kind of things that are going to fall under the comprehensive portion of the policy. The injuries to the people in your vehicle, there's a few coverages that are going to apply there. The personal injury protection always pays first. Florida, we're a no-fault state. You've probably heard of no-fault insurance. And the personal injury protection is our no-fault insurance. And basically it pays $10,000 for any medical expenses and lost wages if you are out of work because of the accident. And it pays $10,000 per person in your vehicle. It works if you're driving a vehicle. It follows you if you're a passenger in someone else's vehicle. And it also follows you if you're a pedestrian and you're struck by another vehicle. So personal injury protection gives you $10,000 of coverage, always pays first. There's also medical payments coverage that you can purchase. Important to have a discussion with your agent on how much coverage you should carry for your medical payments coverage. And that also pays per person up to whatever limit that you decide to purchase. There's lastly uninsured motorist coverage, which is also very important in the state of Florida because even though it's required that we carry insurance in order to register our vehicle in Florida, there's a lot of people out there that are not insured. In fact, some estimates are as high as 30% or more are uninsured. So if we get hit by one of those drivers, which the odds are pretty good, the uninsured motorist coverage will pay for the medical bills for the people in our vehicle up to whatever limit we carry on our uninsured motorist coverage. So that's an important conversation to have with your agent as well. Lastly, if you hit somebody and you hurt them or you damage their vehicle, our liability coverage, which there's two components there. There's bodily injury liability to pay for the injury that we cause to someone in another vehicle, and there's property damage liability to pay for the damage that we cause to their vehicle. Again, that's an important conversation to have because we want to make sure that we carry enough liability protection to protect ourselves, protect our assets in the event that the other party decides to sue us for the damage that we cause or the injury that we cause to those people in the other vehicle. So very important conversation to have with your agent. And if you'd like, feel free to give us a call. You can visit our website at insuringflorida.com, or our telephone number at the office is 352-523-0800. Always here to help. We have a great software program also that will actually compare the rates for other auto insurance companies, Travelers, Allstate, Progressive, to name a few. And if you give us a call, we'll get a little bit of information from you and give you rate comparisons for other insurance companies so you can see how your rates compare against other carriers out there. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or give us a call.